Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Magic Edit with Canva. What you want to do first is, head over to canva.com, and once you're here, you want to look to the left and click on Magic Studio. So now that you're at Magic Studio, just scroll down to Magic Edit and you can click Magic Edit. They have a sample image here, but I'm actually going to use my own image, so feel free to use your own also if you're following along. So here I'm just using an image of a waterfall that I have. I'm just gonna stretch it out to fit. Now, once you have the image selected that you want to edit, press Edit Photo, then click on Magic Edit. And then how Magic Edit works is you can brush over the elements in a picture. So first of all, I'm going to brush over the sky. So now that I've brushed over the sky, we want to press Continue, and over here, as you can see, you can change the brush size. Now you want to describe your edit of what you want to do with AI. So here I'm going to change the sky to orange. Make the sky orange and press generate. So over here, as you can see, there's 4 different images and you can pick from any, or you can also generate new results. If you like your result, all you do is press done. So I'm just going to hit done, and there you have it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new.